Everyday English
with kids.
Who's ready to read some books?
Me!
Okay, should we read The Duckling Gets a Cookie?
Yeah.
Or Touch and Feel ABC and 1, 2, 3?
ABC, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, back up. Are your fingers ready to feel the whole alphabet? A is for apple. B is for what? What's that?
Baby.
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 Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah. Dare to feel the crocodile's scaly skin. Who wants to feel the crocodile? Oh, is it scaly? Touch the soft clown hat. Ooh, so soft. Who sees the ice cream? Yeah, there's the ice cream. Where's the giraffe?
Here.
Yeah. Feel the kite's smooth fabric. Does it feel smooth? Nora, don't turn the page yet. Owl. What does the owl say? Yeah.
What does the leopard say?
What does a motorcycle say? Yeah. And a train says choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Gently feel the wolf's fluffy fur. Umbrella. Wolf. Oops, move your hand, I can't see the words. Violin. Xylophone. Yo-yo. And zipper. Okay, take your hand off the page. I want to turn it. 5 paintbrushes. Do you guys like to paint?
Yes.
9 cars.
I wish we could get cars like those.
That would be cool. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The end. The duckling gets a cookie? Look at all those cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Hello. Scooty, scoot, scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh! Thanks! Flappy flip flap. He's so cute. Cute little duckling. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Do you see the nuts in the cookie?
Nut.
Hey! How did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. Does the pigeon like nuts?
Yes.
Yeah. I ask for things all the time. I asked to stay up late. Jamie, move. I can't see. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! Uh-oh, is he throwing a tantrum? Uh-oh, he's super mad. Why did you get that cookie? so I could give it to you. Oh, is that nice?
Yeah.
And another thing! What? You're giving me that cookie?
Look at that.
That is so nice!
May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts.
The end.
Extra practice. Key phrases.
Should we read this book or this book? Should we read this book or this book? Where's the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Do you see the nuts? Do you see the nuts? Look at all those cookies. Look at all those cookies. Don't turn the page yet. Don't turn the page yet. Move. I can't see. Move. I can't see.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.